for $25, or you can get a slice. Oh, that looks amazing. We're in the East Village. In fact, we're standing in front of what used to be Jean-Michel Basquiat's former home. It was a stable. And we're gonna go check out some independently owned businesses, a great cookbook store, get some Italian bread, coffee, check out a bunch of places today. What a fun day. Jones on Great Jones Street by the Bowery was just reopened earlier this year by Gabriel Stuhlman, a restaurateur who reopened it in the space that was formerly the Great Jones Cafe. They still have a lot of vestiges of its old past, like serving Cajun food with the Elvis bust in the window, but it's been completely redesigned and it's now a cafe serving a lot of seafood dishes, but they're known for their world's best cup of coffee. So we'll go in and check it out. We tried to go inside the Jones, but they were closed until dinner time. So we'll visit some stores and other food places and come back to eat later. Bonnie Slotnick Cookbooks on East 2nd Street by 2nd Avenue has been in business since 1997. It was originally located in Greenwich Village, but unfortunately, Bonnie lost her lease in late 2014. But with the help of social media, she was able to find this basement level space. A brother and sister own the building, and they offered her this space, and it's actually like 4 times the size of her original location. So we're gonna go inside and check it out. She has all things related to cooking, like food, beverages, etiquette, beautiful selection. Oh, hi, Bonnie. In addition to cookbooks and other books on ethnic cuisines in different American regions, as well as guidebooks and food writer books and chef publications, the shelves are lined with interesting memorabilia, dishery, crockery, pottery, tinnery, and other stuff, which are all for sale. So Bonnie Slotnick Cookbooks is organized, very organized, into like different ethnic foods and different regions. So this is the New York section. And there's cookbooks from different places in New York, including restaurants. There's an old, we spotted this one, from Luchau's, which was a German restaurant on East 14th Street. And oh, here's another one. Oh, this one looks quite old. Oh, wow. Look at this. There's even a handwritten recipe for coffee cake. I'm sure that's amazing. And the New York section continues around the corner here. And there's some more cookbooks from restaurants, including ones that are still in business, like, oh, what we already visited here, Junior's. Ooh, their cheesecake cookbook. Well, gee, I better take a look at that, because that would be amazing to learn how to make their cheesecake. And then on the bottom, oh, thanks, Hudson. Oh, okay, lots of kisses. Is all like what Bonnie calls the church lady cookbooks, because there's definitely a large selection of like antiquarian books and out of print books as well.
Yeah, that's a good one for you.
Yeah, how to boil an egg.
I saw that, yeah.
That's what I thought. Poach one, scramble one, fry one, bake one, steam one. I'm covered. There's even a backyard garden where you can sit in the warmer weather and decide which books you want to take home with you. Bye, Bonnie. Thank you. Albert's Garden is just down the block from Bonnie's cookbook store. We happened to wander in during the Free Community Gardens annual bulb planting day. They're open Saturday and Sunday during the day, and afternoons on Monday, Tuesdays, and Fridays.
Nice jacket.
Oh, he needs it.
Hey, we match.
We match. Schmackary's on Cooper Square by East 6th Street was founded by Zachary, the cookie monster Schmal, and he started the business out of his 400 square foot apartment baking cookies, and then he opened up his first storefront in the Hell's Kitchen neighborhood. And this is his second location in the East Village, and we're going to go inside and check it out, all their delicious cookies and a cookie cake. Everything at Schmackary's is baked fresh daily on the premises. You can even smell their freshly baked cookies from the street as you walk by. Schmackary's features over 45 unique flavors of cookies, using 115 natural gourmet ingredients. The cookie flavors offered change seasonally, but always include their version of the classic chocolate chip, as well as cookies and creams, oatmeal scotchy, butter pecan, red velvet, and their funfetti, with a sugar cookie base, rainbow sprinkles, and a vanilla cream cheese frosting. Schmackary's also sells a variety of homemade brownies and unique flavors, and schmackaroons and snack bars. So at Schmackary's, we got their cookie cake, and this is their funfetti. So it's 5 layers of their funfetti cookie with the icing, of course. And you can get the whole cake for $25, or you can get a slice. So not only did we get the funfetti cookie cake slice, but we also got 2 cookies. We got the pumpkin spice cookies because that's a special, holiday flavor. So I'm going to give this a try. Looks amazing. Okay, this is a whole cookie layer. Let's go for it. So good. Extra good. We're in front of 7 Bleecker Street, which is the home of the great American photographer Robert Frank and his artist wife June Leaf. Robert Frank just passed away pretty recently. This is his home, his studio, and we miss seeing him. He was always outside with his wife, sometimes sitting in a chair outside here, and he was a big inspiration for us.
Yeah, and he really liked my Yona Schimmel t-shirt.
And Hudson.
And Hudson.
Codex, an independent bookstore located on Bleecker Street near the Bowery, specializes in literary fiction and art. Almost all the books at the shop are used, and they even have a cart outside stacked with dollar books. Codex is also happy to buy gently used books in addition to selling them. We were so happy to see this bookstore open in 2018, as so many small independent bookstores in New York City have closed in recent years. Parisi Bakery on Elizabeth Street near Houston was founded in 1903 and was a favorite of Frank Sinatra, who had bread flown from Parisi out to him when he lived in Palm Springs. Every week he had it flown out to him. That's dedication. Give paw.
That's okay. He gave me all those hugs and slap
That's
lines.
true.
Right?
That's true. But now he can give paw.
Take the paw now.
Yeah.
Give me, I got a picture. I love the fish.
Even though this location is wholesale only, if you're a local like us, you can just knock on the door while they're baking and pick up a freshly baked loaf or 2 from Frank, the 3rd generation owner. We came back to the Jones to have some dinner, but first let's check out the renovated interior. They kept the original bar and neon "Eat" sign from the Great Jones Cafe, but replaced the tables in the center of the room with a communal table and a leather sofa. The Elvis bust hung with Mardi Gras beads in the window remains, but the Cajun Creole menu board on the wall advertising blackened catfish and jalapeno cornbread is gone, replaced by a long mirror. It's sad for us to see the cafe, which operated from 1983 to 2018, gone, but we wanted to give the new place a try. We love the Joneses' seafood-focused menu, with its hand-drawn fisherman character and doggy.
Yeah, we really like the doggo.
Oh, he's giving you the please paw. This is the world's best coffee. I like it with a little milk. Look how adorable, the Jones. So we're gonna give it a try. Here we go. It's really excellent. So we got the Filet-O-Fish sandwich. Let me show you. Oh, that looks amazing. I'm gonna give it a try. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Extra good. What a great day and evening we had in the East Village on our food and books tour. Not only did we check out a great cookbook store and another independently owned bookshop, but we had some delicious gourmet cookies, coffee, and an upscale version of a Filet-O-Fish sandwich, which was really amazing. What a fun day we had. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and notification bell and give it a thumbs up and share our video if you liked it. You may also enjoy watching some of our other East Village videos, including our vinyl records and food tour and our East Village vintage vinyl and knishes tour.
Bye, guys.
Bye guys!
It's a cookbook!